In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group layers in Figma. This is a quick guide that will walk you through the simple steps of grouping layers, helping you to easily organize your design projects. Let's jump right in. First, we need to head over to Figma, the popular collaborative interface design tool. Open up your favorite web browser and navigate to figma.com. Once you're there, be on the lookout for the login button. Clicking on it will take you to the login page if you aren't signed in already. Make sure you're logged into your Figma account before proceeding so that you can access all of your projects and design files. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. This is where you'll have an overview of your recent files and shared projects. It provides a good starting point for navigating to the design files you want to work with. What you'll want to do next is locate the design section. It's usually marked prominently, so go ahead and click on that. This leads you into the workspace where all the magic happens. Now that you've reached the design area, it's time to choose which layers or objects you want to group. Start by clicking and dragging your mouse over the objects on your canvas that you'd like to group together. This selection process is straightforward. Just ensure you're selecting all the layers you want to be included in your group. Once you've positioned your cursor over the desired objects and selected them, it's time for the crucial step, grouping. To do this, perform a right click anywhere within your selected area. A contextual menu will pop up, revealing a number of options at your disposal. Among these options, you'll find an action simply titled Group. Click on it, and just like that, your selected layers are now combined into a single group. Grouping layers is an effective way to manage complex designs by keeping related elements together. It helps maintain a cleaner workspace and simplifies the process of moving or modifying multiple objects simultaneously. Remember, you can ungroup these layers at any point by following a similar process should you need to make individual adjustments to any of the components. And there you have it, a step-by-step process on how to group layers in Figma. This technique is fundamental for boosting your efficiency and ensuring your design workflow stays organized. Feel free to apply these steps in your next Figma project. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep designing.